Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see Google search history on iPhone. So if you want to see the list of your Google search history so far on your Google account, here is how you can get it done. First thing you have to do is you open your browser on your phone. Your browser could be Siri, it could be Safari, it could be Opera, any browser of your choice. Then you tap on the search engine, then you input google.com. Once you do that, then make sure your Gmail is logged in onto your account, your mobile device. Then once you do that, then you tap on the name icon at the right top corner of the screen as indicated by my pointer. Then you tap on it, and right there then you tap on this option, which is search history. Tap on the search history, then you scroll down from here you can see the list of, or you can see your history right here. You can see currently I just delete my search history, so this is the recent one I have last, which is the last visited, which is around this particular time of recording this video. I can see the history right here, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.